Welcome, adventurers. We're about to embark on a swift journey through the top 10 brands that are enriching and simplifying your voyages. Our first destination is Samsonite, revolutionizing luggage into fashionable, secure residences for your essentials. Following, we have Bose, augmenting your travel moments with their noise-canceling headphones. Bid farewell to the grating drone of airplane turbines. Securing the third spot is GoPro, enabling you to treasure memories from every escapade. Fourth in line is Tile, your private lost and found service. Halfway through our journey, we encounter LifeStraw, transforming any water source into a drinkable solution. Conquering the sixth place is Osprey, with backpacks, so they feel like an extension of yourself. Seventh on our list is Anchor, ensuring you're powered up and prepared. Occupying the eighth place is Columbia, offering robust gear for all your outdoor. Ninth is your dependable travel companion in all your journeys. And lastly, we reach Kindle, delivering an entire library at your disposal, wherever your travels may take you. So, are you prepared to embark on your next adventure with these exceptional travel gadgets?